in this equation, I'm going to do 2 steps. So I'm always solving for x. And when I have an equation, I always need to get x alone on one side. So the first thing I want to do is move anything that's added or being subtracted from the x to the other side. So here I have a 2 plus 3x is equal to 11. So I need to move a 2 to get that 3x alone. So it's a 3x, so I need to get it alone. So I want to subtract a negative 2 from both sides of the equation. So when I do that, now I have 3x is equal to 9. So the reason why I subtracted from here so I can have 0, so it disappears. Now I just have a single 3x by itself in front on the left side. And then on the right side I have 11 and the negative 2, which is 9. So now here this 3 is multiplying this x. 3 is in front of it, it's the coefficient. 3 is multiplying. I just want x. I want a single x. So I need to divide it. So at this point, this 3 is multiplying it. I do the opposite, which is divide it out. Because that, so now I just have an x by itself. And then, oops, they're trying to kill me at work. And then, 3 into 9 is 3. So x is 3. If I wanted to plug the 3 back, I'm just having a bad day. If I wanted to plug the 3 back in for the x, to see if the equation equals out or balances out. So I get 2 plus 9 is bigger now. 9 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11, equal 11. So it checks out. So this is how you solve a 2-step equation. So the first thing, you always want to move everything away from your x that's being added or subtracted from it. And then if anything is multiplying your x or dividing it, you do the opposite. So if something is dividing your x, you would flip it, reciprocal, and multiply it. Or if something is multiplying your x, you just divide out by that number and divide it on each side of your equation to balance everything out. And so then you will have what x is. See you on the flip.